Hi, this is Kamran, the founder of Nordic Exhibition Games, and today I want to talk about the exhibition games, the fair games, and the event game as a whole. Why do we use them? What are the different types of them? What is the price? And how we can work together. Suppose that your organization is attending a fair. You have a booth, but why did you do that? Because you want to make a connection to your visitors. You want to grab their attention. But what if no one cares? What if no one visits your booth? This is exactly the reason we use games in fairs, exhibitions, and this kind of events. So people visit the booth because they want to play the game. And when they play the game, by playing that game, they understand about your services, about your products, about your accomplishments. This is the main reason we use the games in the exhibitions. What are the different types of games that we can use in your fair? We have two different kind of categories. In the simple category, we have two types of games, physical games and digital games. For sure, each kind has pros and cons, and we don't want to talk about it here. But my favorite category is like this. We have three types of games. The first type is knowledge game. What is a knowledge game? A knowledge game is a kind of game in which you win because of your knowledge. For example, watch this game. This is a cyber security game. In this game, you must protect the end line, which is like a firewall if you pay attention. So there are some items coming down, some of them are correct, some are incorrect, and you must shoot the incorrect items. The faster you shoot them, the more point you get. For example, if you have job fair, this kind of game can be job very good for you. And even we can play this kind of game with two persons. So two people have their joysticks and play the game. The other type is a skill game. A skill game is a game in which you play because of your skill. For example, suppose that we have a match 3 game like Candy Crush in which we can play the game with your products. This is a very cool idea. Many people will love this kind of games. And for example, if you have a new product, this can be very good if you use this kind of game. The last type is a chance game. It's so obvious. People will win because of chance. So for example, we can have a giant plinko, we can have a wheel of fortune, we can have a jackpot, and these are the ideas here. When we develop a game for you, we will give you access to a specific panel. Here you can see the statistics of your game. For example, what is the average time a user spends in your game? How many people played that game? You can have a poll in 4 different ways. You can even define some coupon codes and send them to your players. You can even see which people came from Instagram, which people came from, for example, the stands. You can even export the data. You can always look at our previous works by hovering your mouse in this page. It usually takes 2 weeks to 1 month to develop a game. And when we agree on the game, we will send you the first demo very fast. And then you give us feedback, and we change something, we will give it back, and we usually have 6 revisions. The price can be very different according to details of the game, but it usually takes 25,000 to 60,000 crowns before VAT. So what do you wait? If you fill this form, we can have a fika together and talk in more details about this kind of games, and we can show you some of our newest games. Thank you.